Hello friends, welcome to this series of tense. Okay, but do you know what is tense? Tenses are simply to communicate in English, and we can use is it in English. So tense is the most important grammar topic. Okay, so we can take a look, then we'll understand what's in tense. So we know that this tense means time, and tenses are three kinds. They are past, present, and future. And these three kinds are four parts, and they are indefinite, continuous, perfect continuous. With this all, we will learn 12 tenses. We will learn 12 tenses and we can practice. Then we have to know that is contentful classes. It means that is in the terms we have to understand that is how our lessons will look like. So first of all, that is when to use. When to use, it indicates that is when to use, we have to use the tenses. So we have to understand the situation and we have to understand the definition of the tenses and we can use. Then next is practice. We have to practice. After watching the videos, we have to practice the tenses and make some examples with others as we can, and we can make this with ourselves, no problem. This next is how to use. So next is we have to understand these, that how to use. We can use the tenses by understanding the structure. The next is mistakes. Most of the time we mistake the tenses. We mistake the tenses, but we have to solve those mistakes we often do. Then next is last is comparison lessons. This means that is we have to compare two lessons, for example two tenses, and we have to understand the difference. Okay, most of the time we can understand all tenses by compare each other. This way we can understand that is for which tenses is it, and we can understand the situation, which situation we can use it. Okay, so next is that is suggestions. We have to understand the suggestions, that is how our videos suggestions will be like. So first of all, that is plan. What does this mean? We have to make a plan. We have to understand the tense and we have to make a plan. We can use some examples by understanding the verbs. Then next is watch. We have to watch the videos. We have to watch the videos attentively. Then next is participate. We have to participate all the videos that is we haven't attended, but we have to attend as we can. But we have to participate means that is you can make a note. For example, that is one example you can understand. You are watching that video and carefully, and you are making some examples. You can take a note, and every day you are making some examples. So this way, by participate, you can improve your English in tenses. Then our first is review. We have to review the videos that, for example, that is one day you haven't watched the videos, so you can watch the previous videos and what about the future video if you understand the future video. Okay, so we have to understand these types of rules. So I hope that is you have understood. So we will learn the tenses from basic to advanced. We will learn these tenses basic and advanced, and this way we can improve in tense. So if you want to learn English tenses, so you can practice here and you can watch my video. So you have to like, comment, follow and share my videos, and stay tuned and see you in the next video. Bye bye.